And finally, we examine the long-standing rivalry between former President Barack Obama and Donald Trump. It's believed that the 2011 White House Correspondents' Dinner created the rift between the two when President Obama roasted the president-elect. However, their beef goes back much further when Donald Trump falsely claimed that Barack Obama was not a U.S. citizen. The two have taken numerous shots at each other since 2016, when Donald Trump first ran for president. From cordial to sour, relations between the two have drastically changed over the decade. Here's more on their rift between the two presidents.
The war of words between former President Barack Obama and President-elect Donald Trump goes back over 10 years. It began in 2008 when Obama was running for president. The race for the White House took a nasty turn when Democrat Hillary Clinton's campaign forwarded emails which questioned Obama's birthplace. The email said that Obama was born in the African nation of Kenya, a claim that stuck with America's first black president for years. Fanning the birth certificate claims was Donald Trump, who latched on to the allegations. He repeatedly questioned whether Obama was indeed born in the United States or in Kenya. But Trump wouldn't have gone all out if Obama hadn't brought it up in 2011 while he was running for president. Speaking at the White House Correspondents' Dinner, Obama started his speech with his birth certificate proof. The Correspondents' Dinner is a high-profile event organized by the White House where select journalists, entrepreneurs and scholars attend the gala. It's mostly a night where the President of the United States shows their fun side. But the night of April 30th, 2011, which was supposed to be a roast of Obama, turned into the roast of Donald Trump.
There's a vicious rumor floating around that I think could really hurt Mitt Romney. I heard he passed universal health care when he was governor of Massachusetts. Someone should get to the bottom of that. And I know just the guy to do it. Donald Trump is here tonight. Now, I know that he's taken some flack lately, but no one is happier, no one is prouder to put this birth certificate matter to rest than the Donald. And that's because he can finally get back to focusing on the issues that matter. Like, did we fake the moon landing? What really happened in Roswell? And where are Biggie and Tupac?
A red-faced Donald Trump stared straight, wondering why he became Obama's target. And it was perhaps that very day that prompted the business tycoon to run for president and get his revenge. Coincidentally, attending the 2011 dinner hosted by Obama was Elon Musk, who has played an instrumental role in winning Trump a second term this election. So when Donald Trump decided to run in 2016, he was up against Hillary Clinton, Obama's former Democrat foe. In June 2016, Trump announced that he would run for president. His first political potshots were at Obama, calling him the worst president ever. Obama then went to the Jimmy Kimmel Live show and participated in the Mean Tweets Challenge. He read out Donald Trump's tweet and said, "At least I will go down as president." However, that didn't age well, because a few months later, Trump went on to defeat Clinton and took over the White House from Obama. However, the exchange of power was surrounded by another controversy after Melania Trump gave Michelle Obama an awkward Inauguration Day gift, a picture frame. Over the years, verbal attacks between Obama and Trump have gotten nastier. Even in the 2024 presidential election, Obama attacked Trump while campaigning for Kamala Harris.
When he's not complaining, he's trying to sell you stuff. Have you noticed that? Who does that? You're running for president and you're hawking merchandise. Gold sneakers, $100,000 watch. Supposed to be Swiss watch, he says. The best watch. Why are you selling the watch? What are you doing? My favorite is the Trump Bible. True story. True story. I mean, it's embossed with his name right on it. Donald Trump edition, right next to Matthew and Luke. Donald. And I'll give you one guess where those Bibles are made.
But Trump isn't one to hold back. The Republican has a thick skin and often gives it back to his rivals. So he decided to go after both Barack and Michelle Obama.
You know what's nasty to me? Michelle Obama. She was, ooh. I always tried to be so nice and respectful. Oh, she opened up a little bit of a box. She opened up a little bit of something. Oh, she was nasty. Ooh. Shouldn't be that way. That was a big mistake that she made.
The beef between Obama and Trump goes back more than a decade now. Obama would often joke that Donald Trump would never be the president. But then, here we are. Donald Trump is returning to the White House as the 47th President of the United States. It all started with Barack Obama deciding to roast an audience member at the 2011 White House Correspondents' Dinner. Only that audience member, aka Donald Trump, took the jokes to heart. He's now delivered the Democrats 2 blows in the 2016 and 2024 presidential elections. As he gets ready to leave his luxury resort in Florida and return to the majestic White House in Washington, D.C., it is truly Donald Trump who's having the last laugh.
Hello and welcome to this special edition of Vantage, live from the White House. America is Trump country again. He will be the 47th President of the United States of America. They're live from the White House, soon to be the new residence of Donald Trump. It was also here that Donald Trump brokered the Abraham Accords. So the voters have a legitimate question in their minds. If those presidents could do it, why not Joe Biden? The Arab voters want to punish the Democrats for supporting Israel. Joe Biden's shadow looms large over this election, and Kamala Harris may end up paying the price for it. This Trump hat, it says, President Trump save America. But this hat is made in China. And this is the Chinese interference that Americans must be investigating. But off late, Donald Trump and the Republicans have made some gains. And the biggest reason for that is illegal immigration. This is more than just a march, they say. This is a demand for accountability. The excitement, the tension is palpable. You can see the security presence. You can see the number of police cars, government buildings like these again fenced up. We're at Harvard University, the alma mater of Kamala Harris. As the night progressed, numbers came in thick and fast, and Donald Trump was soon declared the winner. It's being called a historic comeback. Another American presidency will begin. In Donald Trump's case, his second one.